guys, what we're going to do today is I got a couple skull molds. They kind of nasty inside, dirty, and these are actually, I don't know if you can see, but they're skulls, and these are actually made for porcelain. But I figured I would go ahead and try to pour a couple up just to kind of see what it would look like, and I'm going to bring you along for the journey. So these are pretty cool molds, and we're going to pour them up after I clean them out. Yep, got them cleaned out. I did have them cleaned out. Stick them together like that. I don't know nothing about this. It's going to be my first time ever pouring anything up, but we're going to try it, see what happens. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if she leaks. Okay, so far, no leaks. So we'll clean this one out. We'll go ahead and do the same thing with that one and come back and see what we got. All right guys, so these is our skull molds. I've let them dwell for about an hour and a half, poured them out, let them set for about 10-15 minutes to drain. And they've set for a couple days before I got back to it. But the first one I took apart came out pretty good. So you're gonna be the first one to see this one, to see how it turned out. And what we're going to do first is we're just going to put a little bit of ultra cow inside, just to make sure the latex don't stick to itself. I just got a heat gun because I don't have a hair dryer. Don't take much. Put you here so you're not looking at my back, so you can see what the hell I'm doing here. Okay. There we go. You put powder, ultra cow, or whatever you have in here. There's our skull. And you see I got one little spot right there. This was just a test cast to see if these casts were any good to do latex in. Now these casts are actually was made for porcelain, but they were free, so they were for me. I figured I'd give it a try and see what they come up with. But there they are, little skull latex casts. Now I'll probably end up foam filling these, maybe. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. Still need to clean up the flashing on the sides. Other than that, I think they come out pretty doggone good. And here's the other one. This is the first one I took apart. You can see I don't have a dip on that one, but it's no big deal. It's a skull. But came out basically pretty doggone perfect. About as best as you can get, I guess. But these are my first two casts that I've ever done. I did not make the molds. Like I said, they are for porcelain pours. So I'm not sure exactly what these were made for, but I figured I'd cast them in latex just to kind of see what it looked like. So there you go, guys. We poured up two latex skulls. They're pretty cool. Now you can cut these in half, make a mask out of them. They're big enough for a mask. However you want to do it, the sky's the limit. Anyway guys, we hope you enjoy this little video. We appreciate you. Don't forget to go check out my brothers at the Trio of Terror. It's Keith at Cobwebs and Candlesticks and Dave at the Weird Kid Show. And check out their products and stuff that they make and the props that they make, and they're selling stuff as well. So it might be some interest to you guys. Go check them out on their YouTube channel and come join us on our Trio of Terror Facebook page, Monster Misfits Facebook page. We'd appreciate you. Share your love of Halloween with us. We'd appreciate it. Anyway guys, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Keep it creepy.